Ever wondered how cybersecurity experts stay one step ahead of hackers? The answer lies in the fascinating world of penetration testing. Penetration testing, or pen testing for short, is a crucial security technique that involves simulating cyber attacks on a computer system, network, or application. Its purpose? To uncover any weaknesses that could be exploited by cybercriminals. Think of it as a safety drill, but instead of preparing for a physical threat, we're prepping for a digital one. This process is carried out by ethical hackers, sometimes known as penetration testers. These are the good guys of the hacking world, using their skills to uncover vulnerabilities and help businesses bolster their defenses rather than exploit them. Now, these ethical hackers aren't just guessing where the weak points might be. They're using a wide range of tools and techniques to mimic the strategies of malicious hackers. Some popular tools in their arsenal include Metasploit for developing and executing exploit code, Nmap for network scanning, Wireshark for traffic analysis, and Burp Suite for testing web applications. But it's not just about the tools. Penetration testers also employ a mix of manual and automated techniques to comprehensively assess security measures. This includes everything from network and system reconnaissance, vulnerability scanning, to exploitation and post-exploitation activities. The end goal: to give organizations a full picture of their security posture and provide actionable recommendations for improvements. Penetration testing isn't a one-size-fits-all approach either. It's used in a variety of scenarios, each with its own unique challenges. This includes testing the security of web applications, examining network infrastructures, analyzing wireless networks, and even simulating social engineering attacks. For example, in a world where customer data is increasingly online, businesses need to ensure their web applications are secure. Penetration testing helps identify any security gaps that could put this data at risk. Similarly, network penetration testing can identify weak points in an organization's firewalls and routers, helping to prevent unauthorized access and potential data breaches. Social engineering penetration tests, on the other hand, focus on the human element of cybersecurity. They involve simulated phishing attacks and other tactics designed to trick employees into revealing sensitive information. The results of these tests can be used to educate staff on the importance of security awareness. So there you have it, a deep dive into the world of penetration testing. It's a critical part of cybersecurity, helping businesses and organizations stay one step ahead of cyber threats. In the ever-evolving landscape of cybersecurity, staying ahead of the game is crucial. So remember, penetration testing isn't just about finding vulnerabilities, it's about fortifying defenses, educating teams, and most importantly, keeping our digital world safe. Thanks for tuning in to Hack the Matrix. If you're as passionate about cybersecurity as we are, make sure to hit that subscribe button for more insights and tutorials. Until next time, stay secure and hack smart.